Alright, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this sick effect right here. I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this shit. Alright, to start off, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and grab the iron cross. Now, I'm not allowed to show you guys actually how I got this because some things pop up when you look up iron cross I was not aware of. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to double click on this layer. And we're going to add a bevel and emboss. And you just want to copy these settings right here. Boom, 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 right? So the depth, 95. Put the smooth on the technique. Inner bevel. You want to put the size to about 35. Then you want to do this like kind of, I don't know what it's called, but you know, this sharp shit. Yeah, you want to go into contour 2, enable this, put on ring, I'm pretty sure it's called. You know, just this one here, the 2 spikes. And then you want to do a gradient overlay, just a simple like little gradient here, like white in the middle, black on the side. The next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and make some text. I'm going to go ahead and do early. Then you want to bring down the spacing on this shit. And then you want to just like scale it in just a little bit. Like, then you want to go to rasterize type. By the way, the font I'm using is called Ancient. You can use Old London or just anything like that. Anything that looks like this. Or you can use whatever font. Like, I'm not forcing you to do. Alright. Distort. Right, so once you're on distort, it's basically a perspective type of thing. So you want to bring the point up here just like that. So, kind of like stretching out, pause. Alright. Now, this looks kind of like, you know, mid, like, you know, it's whatever. We're going to go into warp. Alright. Now, warp. We're going to warp it. Alright, and then we're going to push it down with these points, these middle points here. We're going to push it down. We're going to push it down even more, right? So these top points, these will like stretch it out, pause, right? But you just want to push these down like this, then push these up, alright? That's all you got to do with these, right? So that's all I did. And then for this vertical text, you want to press this button up here in the you know, left corner, and it'll put you in this vertical thing. You want to just adjust the space, and again you want to adjust the space until, you know, it's chilling, it's good. And we're just gonna adjust it like that. Boom. All right, do the same thing, rasterize the type, and then we can go and do distort. Just do this, and it's like the easiest to like see actual like what you're doing. But yeah, you just want to go into warp again. Now it looks pixelated as fuck, but it's okay. All right, and we're just gonna do the same thing, just kind of pinch it in like this. Boom. All right, then we're just gonna drag this up, just have these kind of like up like that, pinch it in. Now if you pinch it in too much, you know, it's a bit hectic, right? So we're just gonna have to be a bit strategic here. So we have to pinch this in ourselves right here, just like that. Boom. All right, so you guys are gonna get something like that. Now I'm just gonna bevel and emboss, 95 on the depth, 10 on the size, you know, just boom. Then contour, just the same shit, and then you just want to copy that over to every single one of them, and then you'll get like a really nice effect. So I'm just gonna hide these two. We're gonna have these open. All right, next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and grab a lens flare. So you can grab these on like Google or some shit. Let me just show you guys what background. You can just grab this on Google, and what you want to do is just want to position it like that. Then you want to Control J, and then you want to rotate it just like this, so you get this kind of like X shape, like, you know, I don't know what the fuck you call it, right? It's just an X shape like flare, right? And it just looks sick when, you know, shit is layering off it, right? We're just gonna, you know, just enable all these, and you know, you just want to copy those two and duplicate them around, or just twist them around, do all that shit. Boom. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys the texture I used as well. It's called a black market copy scan, and then you can go ahead and grab these adjustments here. I'm going to show you guys individually what they are. So brightness and contrast, bring them up a little bit. Let me actually enable them as we go, just so you guys can see what it is. All right, so brightness and contrast, a gradient map, put that to overlay, and bring the fill down to about 58. That's just going to darken it, bring out a couple, you know, make it pop a little bit. All right, exposure, bring the exposure up a little bit, or bring it down a little bit actually, and then bring the offset up. So basically what I would go for when I put an exposure on, it's not even to expose it, it's really to make it more faded out, or, you know, shit like that. You can use the levels too, but, you know, I just like to use this. Curves, just an S-shaped kind of curve. Yeah, levels, you know, we just kind of brought everything out with the levels, kind of just brought it all together. And yeah, now if you guys do want more like adjustments like this, I'm gonna even show you guys how you can actually go ahead and use my ultimate adjustment pack. We have it in here. You want to put your whole design in here. Then we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna go through them, right? Boom. You know, we have hella different fucking effects with this shit. Yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys do follow and shit like that.